Welcome to a new series called A to Z of AI, where daily we'll be discussing 5 key topics of AI from alphabets A to Z. Today's letter is G. G for gradient descent. Gradient descent is an optimization algorithm used to minimize a loss function by iteratively adjusting model parameters in the direction of the steepest descent. When we are trying to train a model, our goal is to make predictions as close as possible to the actual value. We do this by setting a loss function. A loss function measures how far are you from the actual value. To make sure our prediction is as close to the actual value, we have to get to the minimum of the loss function. Gradient descent is one such technique that helps us achieve that. G for Generative Adversarial Network, or GAN for short. GAN is a machine learning framework where two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, compete against each other, with one generating data and other evaluating it. GANs are very strong AI models that are used to generate realistic looking images. G for Gini Impurity. Gini Impurity is a metric used in decision trees to measure how oftenly a randomly chosen element from the set would be incorrectly labeled. Gini impurity is a metric used in decision tree to determine which feature to choose that will give us the best split. When we are creating a decision tree, our goal is to go from an impure state to a pure state. Metrics like Gini impurity and entropy tell us how to achieve this. G for grid search. Grid search is a hyperparameter optimization technique where multiple hyperparameter combinations are systematically tested to find the best model performance. Machine learning is an iterative process. We don't know straight out of the bat what are the best model parameters that will give us the best results. G for graph neural network. Graph neural networks are a type of neural networks designed to operate on graph structured data, allowing it to capture relationships between entities or nodes. Graph neural networks are used in social network analysis to predict the likelihood of friendships based on shared connections.